Hey, where are we, Ra? Pumba, right? No, right? What is the area?
In Kodaikanal.
Kodaikanal?
Lake.
Kodaikanal Lake, right? So, Kodaikanal Lake.
This is
Okay.
artificial lake which is
It's an artificial lake which was made by
British.
humans.
British.
Correct, so as roads are very, clumsy,
And people
congested.
There are all types of vehicles, cycle.
So we can see there is a horse riding. Horse is going on way. Cars, bikes, cycles for rent. Half an hour, 100 rupees. You can see the flowers over there. Fountain view you can see.
Not your 100.
Still we need to go see. Roads are very busy with the cycle, the double door.
Take a photo. With
Where?
Boda.
No, Ra. We came for just exploring the nature in the Kodaikanal. In addition to that,
This is fun world.
we are exploring some other things: fun world, fun circle, fun way, whatever it is available. This is a boarding section where we can see. So, whenever you used to come to Kodaikanal, try to visit this area. We are going forward by walk because the bicycles are very busy. Not even the roads are very.
Now we are going to that friend circle where BSNL is.
This guy always, busy with seeing the beauty of nature, and this is street food we can see. Street food, Tamil Nadu style. Of course, here we can see the sweet corns. This side, as usual, regular.
Newly constructing.
Newly constructing the boating house. This is the boat house. Kodaikanal municipality undertaken. It is under construction. Police wala. BSNL connecting India. Selvan. Here we have the road board. You can see Pumparai. Chalo. Street side flowers is there.
Can I ask him to drop there?
Not required. We can go by walk. These guys are always crazy. See how they are walking and how they are discussing about the beauty, fountain view. This is old. This is old boat house where is in Kodaikanal. Now that is the new one which is going to construction. Is under construction. You can see. Also see all the vehicles are going. And now we are going to show you that boat. Actual things.
This video, this is taking in old phone. If you are all subscribed, I'll buy a new phone.
Hey.
So please
See the view.
subscribe,
Comment. The like.
So if you
Share.
share only, then everybody will get. Then suggestions will go to everyone. Everyone watch our the race of nature. So everyone get to know what is nature, how it could be, and everything. So you guys have to do. So please share and subscribe.
Sujit, give me some your suggestions on my channel. Kodaikanal city. Street lights. Now I am going to show you the fountain view on the other side. See the fountain view. So we thought to take bicycle, but the rush was there on the roads. That's why we avoided the bicycling, cycling, and we are going on the by walk. I'm going to zoom.
Fountain is